Good morning, guys. Hello, everyone. Good morning, good morning. How are you guys? It's Tuesday. I'm doing great. Got my first trade doing Asian gold finally with just 3 micros, but it's not about contract size here. It was just first try for the last 3 months to trade Asia again. Place the trade from my phone, close my phone, and then I was like, TP hit. Isn't that amazing? We got 30 minutes SIP, 3 minutes OB. My entry was a bit late. I entered the retracement to fair value gap yesterday on gold, simply because I missed opportunity. I didn't see this on the right time because I was busy. And when I opened charts, I was like, damn, seems like I missed this. Where's my trade, by the way? Can you see this? Well, for some reason, I don't see this on my chart. I entered on micro 100%. Yes, it was this trade. No, it wasn't this trade. I entered... let me see, I forgot. My execution's not saved for some reason. 1 second. I will let you know what time it was. It was here. Yeah, I got it. I post executions on Twitter. I closed at 48, 100%. Yes, it was my trade. And I put my stop loss here. This one. I took this trade yesterday. 3 micro contracts. 20 points. Not bad. I entered with 2 micros here, then added the tracing to 5 minute fair value, just 1 more contract, and shorted. Let me read the chat, guys. Good morning, good morning. I'm doing great, kids doing great as well. Time scale, it was at 8 p.m. Like almost at 9. You traded London. It was quite choppy, I would say. But I'm so happy with my short here. Made like a bit more than $600, which is also good. But once again, it's not about money, it's about like setup. Perfect. 30 minute sweep. I had to enter here. I obviously miss this. Not going to hide this fact. So I entered the retracement to fair value gap. Lumi level, well, it's actually a joke level. So why? Because I'm too lazy to write like possible change in the state of delivery. Hey, Mexican dance. Let me finish my sentence because I can forget. So once we hit high time frame level, we expect to get a reversal. Reversal where? To opposite. Let's say we took sell side, we expect to get reversal to opposite liquidity level, buy side liquidity level. In order to confirm reversal, we need to have change in the state of delivery. Change in the state of delivery creates real ORB. Creates real order block. Stop, I'm not going to read the chat. You distract me right now. So, basically, change in the state of delivery is order block. Since we traded back to discount on... when it was? On Thursday. And it failed to take sell side here. Obviously, it may try to go to opposite liquidity level, buy side. For example, it can be previous weekly high level or at least over here at 30,321. And for this, we need to get change in the state of delivery. Nearest done close candle is over here. See this done close candle over here? So once we get in the closure above this level, we get in change in the state of delivery. So Lumi level basically is possible OB. I'm just super lazy to write this. Possible order block on 4-hour chart. It just takes so much time. So I decided to write like Lumi level because it's possible OB, it's not OB, and we use those levels as targets most of the time. So once we in trade, we usually try to partial or even like close our trade on these possible levels. Because we cannot know for sure if it's gonna be OB or it's gonna be just sweep and we reverse all the way down again. You never know. Yeah, limit level it's just easier to write this, but you got the point. I'm just not sure how ICT calls this, and I'm not sure if he calls this somehow, if there is any name for this, so I just had to call like that. Once again, I'm not trying to create any strategies, create fancy names for these strategies. It's just a funny name because we have no idea how to name this. And not going to sell, obviously. What does 50% means? I don't need this. I mean, 250k. I would say more than $1,000. You need to make 15k. So I would probably trade like 2-3 mini contracts. Did you buy a vals? I decided to buy like right after the stream. I'm gonna get 250k vals. I need to make 15k. Damn. Yeah, 2-3 mini contracts, not micros, minis. So I would say between 1,000 and 2k will be my risk. It will be funny actually. Fun stage. Same. How much drawdown we have? 7,000? 7,500? Just interesting. 65, like seriously, that's actually crazy. Yeah, don't risk more than 1,000 until you build this buffer. Like 1,000 is max, I guess. Market's super decoupled. Guys, I wish I had bias for today, but I don't know. Like, jokes aside, I have no idea. Looking at this chart, yes, bullish. And Q bearish. So we will see. Let's wait for market to open. Really hard to say. Another problem is in Q trading below equilibrium of previous weekly range. It's definitely bearish. We must take previous weekly low level. But we're trading way above this level. Only yes. We should go to buy side. So we will see. I'm not confident, I guess, with my bias for today. I'm gonna wait for market to open. You know, guys, I'm bullish on gold as long as we're above 41.34.6. I want to see 42.38. So let's see if we're gonna get deep retracement. So around like 41.50. And if it's gonna be 30-minute dip, I will try to long. So ideally, guys, I know it sounds crazy. I want to see this one. Deep retracement, 30-minute sweep, 3-minute OB, I'm trying to long. So I might try this one. I traded gold yesterday. It was my first trade for the last, I don't know, like 3 or 4 months on gold. So, if this can happen, I will try this one. Not sure. We will see. That's my plan. Retracement back to 41.50, 41.45. Gold, I said, guys, I'm not fan how gold moves during pre-market and AM session nowadays, but Asia, damn, Asia's so good. If you're trying to trade Asia, don't even try to trade indices. Gold is the way to go. Daily risk limit on 100k. Before the buffer, $400. Personal daily loss limit. Remember, we talk about this. Personal daily loss limit. Don't risk more than $400 until you build the buffer. It's important. We're taking small trades. We take the slow always. Good morning. Good morning, guys. How are you today? For evaluation, same way. Sean, remember, we use evaluations as our practice. So we're trying to learn how to manage our risk, our emotions. So $400 is our personal daily loss limit on evaluation as well. Okay? $250k. I would say it's maximum 1K. I just think I'm gonna get evals, but I'm not going to activate them because I still have other accounts. But I believe I will start with, around like 600, 700 bucks, probably. Then slowly increase to 1K, but not more than 1K. That's a lot. 600, 700, you can start with this one, then increase, okay? Start with this one, I guess. It will be better. Micros, Sean, micros. You passed. I'm gonna pass. I don't know when I'm gonna pass them, but I will buy today because Apex sale ends tonight. You can get 250k legacy plan for 17 bucks. So activation fee will be over than 170 bucks. I mean, it's quite expensive, but at the same time, it's good. Evaluations are cheap, so I want to get legacy plan. Unfortunately, only 250k available, but I want to have legacy plan because I like legacy plan way more than new plan. It's my opinion. Small range today. Please don't say this. Thank you so much. I will buy as well. Pre-market plan. If you just joined, guys, I said yes, bullish in my opinion on high time frame, while in Q is bearish. So market is decoupled now. So we just have to wait for obvious structure. So I don't have bias for today on yes and Q. I want to see. I don't know what I want to see. It's really hard to say. We are going to have gap on SPX. In Q bearish, I want to see previous weekly low level on Q, but on yes, I don't know. Yeah, I'm okay with end of the day. I'm okay with intraday trading drawdown because, guys, listen. Once you build the buffer, you are good to go. Intraday trading drawdown will not bother you anymore. So, lots of complaints about intraday trading drawdown, but I always keep saying, I'm gonna keep saying this, guys. Take partials. It's not gonna be a problem for you then. I already said, like, in case I will decide to get new Apex plan, I will get intraday trailing. So, guys, I sent message to MMXM yesterday. He ignores me for like 22 hours. Something happened. I was like, are you alive? And he didn't respond. Something happened. Yeah, I was like, what is going on? Because he usually send me lots of messages like on Saturday or Sunday. But last message he sent me was, I guess, Thursday or Friday. Like, I was like, no, something happened. July 2nd, one second. You're talking about which week? Upside or downside? MXM only. He ignores me. It's interesting because he usually here. Like here. At this time. He wasn't there yesterday and he didn't send me a single message since Thursday or Friday, last Thursday or Friday. I use Replikanto. It's my trade copier. If you don't know how to use this, I explain this in my YouTube video. I'm going to send you a link now. So technically, I explained how to use NinjaTrader, how to set up NinjaTrader, and how to use TraderWeight Copier, TraderWeight Group Trading, and Replikanto. Here's the link. Let me send in the chat. So if you want to have exactly the same layout on a NinjaTrader, guys, here is the link. You're going to have exactly the same layout. And I explained everything about this. As well as I covered ATM strategy, so how to create brackets for your orders, and so on. So guys, link in the chat. It's really helpful video for everyone who wants to use NinjaTrader. I'm bearish on NQ. If yes, going to catch this up, I will short yes. Not going to trade in Q. Probably. Or NQ needs to break above equilibrium of previous weekly range level, I will long in Q. Guys, since I'm kind of confused with my bias, what is your bias for today? Are you bullish? Are you bearish? Maybe you have no bias, so I will not be alone. Super short on both indices, or you want to short in Q? Bearish. Yeah, on NQ previous weekly low level looks so good. On ES, really hard to say. Like, really hard to say. I would short NQ as well. But, I mean, I would be bearish on NQ as well. But I don't want to short simply because we're trading in deep discount now. So let's wait for obvious shift in structure. Once again, it's really hard to say for now. My concern is different. 1 second. I had from level yesterday as well. So, look, I measured, here's our previous weekly candle. I measured from low to high. I got 74.96. So yesterday we made mistake, and it was funny because we measured current weekly candle. For some reason on Sunday, this weekly candle already was here, which was like, what is going on? But yeah, fix this because I made exactly the same mistake yesterday. I am bullish on ES, bearish on NQ. So I seriously don't know. Yeah, measure again. I fixed this mistake yesterday, but I had exactly the same mistake. People told me like, Dasha, you have wrong equilibrium of previous weekly range level. I was like, what? How is it even possible? So this technically trace back to discount of this move up. So I wouldn't say this Asia expansion will mean it's gonna be chopped today. I don't think so. All I know, I can't short ES, I cannot long NQ now. Because it's super 50-50 here. Look how bullish ES. We're gonna get small gap on SPX. For now, it's around like 5-6 points. I hate it. But yeah, when we have small gap, usually we don't have like any levels to work with. Champion, you think so? No. No. Don't do this with me. Yeah, see? Same mistake. I just fixed this yesterday. You think I need to wait for 10? Okay, let's wait for 10. I wanted to share like with MMXM. I having like facial today. It's gonna be face massage. Like I want to look young, but he's not here, so I'm going to share with you. Okay. Ooh. Yes, Michael, you're right. I want to see gold higher as well. My plan on gold, guys. I know, I'm looking for damn deep retracement, but I'm bullish on gold. My TP will be 42.38. So ideal plan, listen. So if you will find nothing on gold today, my plan is retracement back to 41.50, maybe 41.45, maybe. 30 minute SIP, 3 minute OB, I'm in long to, I don't know. If it's gonna be 3 minute OB, we're gonna get, let's say, swing low gonna be here. I have no idea, but let's say we're gonna get like 6R. That's gonna be nice trade. Let's see if it's gonna be presented. But I don't mind. Hey, Basha. Hey, Barbara, how are you today? Yeah, Chris, let's see. Once NQ breaks above equilibrium of previous weekly range, at least we can try to long this. But if ES wants to retrace... Oh, guys, I don't know, we will see. It's really hard to say now. I don't want to predict. I will just try to react. You know, guys, I'm going to repeat this again. You see how many times, like, I was bullish, I ended short trade. I'm okay to flip the bias. Let's try to be flexible today, okay? Not only today, like always. We'll try to be flexible, wait for setup. If it's gonna be long, we'll enter long. If you will see confirmation for short, we will enter short, okay? Let's just wait. Is best play for longs, right? We will see. If it's gonna be small risk, I will give it a try, but we will see. Super decoupled, that's the problem, I agree with you. Hello, guys. So, if I'm gonna stream Asia, it's gonna be 7 p.m. I will start at 6, we'll finish at 9. So yeah, it will be 6 a.m. in the morning for you, but I'm not gonna trade at 6 a.m. I will look for setups after 7. So technically you can join. So guys, yeah, if you're new on my channel or just joined and didn't hear like my announcement on Sunday, I have a plan to start streaming Asia as well. It's not gonna be every single day. Most likely it's gonna be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Or just Tuesday and Wednesday. Monday actually... Not bad, I will see, but it's not gonna be every single day. It's gonna be 2-3 times a week only, but it's gonna be long streams, like 3 hours or so, maybe even longer. Good morning, guys, good morning. Pasha, I don't eat sugar, so I'm not going to buy any cakes. No, it's not honey cake. My kids don't like it. I usually buy like small piece of cakes for my kids and I put candles there so they can blow this. But I don't buy cake for myself. My husband also doesn't eat cakes. Carrot cake, oh damn, I hate it. It's super sweet for me. I remember like it was 2017 probably. I went to, I guess it was Publix. And I saw perfect cake, like it was beautiful cake. And I decided to buy it simply because it looks so good. Damn, it was impossible to eat this. It was super sweet. How American eat their cakes? I don't know. It was impossible to eat. So I had to throw this away. So we have nice store. It calls H Mart. I'm not sure if you know about this. If you live in the US, probably you know about this H Mart. It's like Asian store, and they sell perfect cakes. So my kids love it. It's not sweet, which is good. And first time we tried this, it was in North Carolina. It was good one. So maybe I need to check if there's any H Marts in Miami. My husband loves sugar, but he's super big now. So no cake for him as well, because I said this. Let me open Google Map 1 second. I know that this H Mart in Orlando, but I'm not sure about H Mart. Let's see. Seems like no H Mart in South Florida. That's actually crazy. So they opened H Mart in Orlando, but did not open this in South Florida. Yeah, it's smart. So I tried some carrot cakes in local stores. It wasn't good. It was sweet. It's not for me. Your husband, you have a child. I have children. I have 2. It means you made it. Of course not. I just call a random man like my husband. You're trying to long from 607. Let's see. You kind of brave to end right before market open. Yes, guys, I'm in BDH cap. I took trade yesterday. Actually, let me see where I am there. I forgot about this. I didn't want to trade it. It's a board. I made almost $600 yesterday. That's all I made. We'll look for another trade. I didn't take any trades today. Nothing wrong with free market trades. I will stay away. I don't think he's bot, to be honest. Yeah, it's not in sync. I see, guys. I see. Let's hit the like button, guys. Share the stream. In Turkey, I'm not sure. You can get it, I guess, like in Google Store. Not sure about physical copy. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Well, guys, market is open. I'm connecting my accounts now. 1 second. I mean, it's connected. Just make sure it works. So let's see. If ES will stay bullish, I will try to long on NQ. SMT at lows. Over here, once again, not fan of this SMT, but we're still respecting early OB over here. So early OB still respected. Minor sweep at lows. It's garbage right now. I'm not going to argue about this. It is what it is. Yeah, classic. I mean, like, you still surprised to see this? Pfft. Nothing surprised me anymore. Oh. Hello, guys. Look at this overall chop. Actually, quite a big gap. Which is completely balanced. Oh, not completely. With an OT now. Makes no sense anyway. I should completely feel this. Yes, super bullish. Yeah, that's crazy. Yes, bullish and Q bearish. Like, I don't like to work with. So he timed out the guy for 86,000 seconds. YM keep making new all-time high over and over again. Damn, that's crazy. Okay, let's open 15-minute chart to see what is going on here. Still super bullish on ES and super bearish on NQ. On gold, my plan is this one. This one from Sunday. I would like to see deep retracement back to discount and try to long to 42.38. SPX trying to respect OT of current RTH gap over here, as you can see. What else do we have? Next up can be at 74.96 and only 96. Do you have this? Okay, let me share this indicators to this layout as well. Guys, I'm not sure about my bias. I'm bullish on ES, bearish on NQ. So I will be flexible. If I see short confirmation, I will short this. If I will see long confirmation, I will long this, okay? Really, it's really hard to see. Because I don't mind to be bullish, but at the same time, I don't mind to be bearish. I will just wait. This week, you think this is why we're inside shop right now? So plan is, if it's gonna create, it will create OB. Retrace to 50% and stay below, I will try to short. It will be my confirmation for short. Okay. So let's see if it's gonna retrace to 50% and will stay below this level. I will give it a try. 9:36. It's still early in the day. So let's see how we're gonna hold 50%. Not sure about 7,500. Target will be 75.43. With partial on SPX at probably 50% of yesterday RTH gap. Okay, let's see. It's just plan right now. Let me switch on 3-minute chart on my NinjaTrader as well, so want to have same candlesticks. Gold so far pushing higher. I mean, it's fine. This one is just 50% of this drop. Trump said, I will be imposing 400 tariff on Belgian waffles starting today. Damn, this man is wild. Hello from Trump, guys. Posted at 9:23 a.m. July 7, today. Look at this 30-minute chart. Must be. I didn't watch the soccer, but I saw US lost, right? Spain won. No, I'm not going to embarrass myself. This chap is real. No, I'm not in. I'm just trying to see if I want to trade this. I always show executions, guys. Headbet strategy. Guys, gonna come back in 2 minutes. Give me once. Give me 2 minutes. Well, I miss nothing? Okay. So let's see if it's gonna stay below 50%. Guys, did you take any trades so far? You're trying to short silver. Wow. Wow. Miss longs? I miss nothing. Sweep here, sweep here. Shorted RTY. Is buffering? It should be okay. It says ultra low latency. It may be like 2-3 seconds delay. Guys, I told you, like, what helped me to build the confidence and patience? Streams. Jokes aside. It improved my trading. That's why I would say 99% of my trades now taken on streams. Because I'm disciplined waiting for high quality setups. Unfortunately, gold pushing higher and higher and higher. Okay, nice reaction from daily open on YM. I mean, technically we got set up, but once again, in reality, it looked like that. Let me show you. This one, I mean, it's not hyper-build setup in my opinion. I don't like when we have entry using 30-minute subtriment OB in discount if I want to short this. So technically, displacement here creates OB in discount. Usually, it's low probability setup. So just have to wait. It's not for me. Small chance to play here. Okay, guys, we hit 50%. Size down. Yes, guys. Candles are huge. Yeah, maybe I'm gonna wait for 10. I'm okay to give this first try. Once again, my first try is always small risk. So in case we're gonna respect 50%, I can try with small size. It's gonna be like 7-point stop loss if it's gonna respect this. 5 markers, 7-point stop loss. It's less than $200. But first, guys, let's see if it's gonna respect 50%. SPX kind of, once again, when we have small gaps, it's typical picture. No trades for me either, so. Nothing yet. It's still too early on the day. Kind of trying to break above. Didn't you take any levels? Not really. Sometimes it's worth it, you know, like when we have an obvious structure for this. Sometimes, yes, we have to wait. I mean, I always like fine to wait. If I'm going to make money later, it's fine. Give us trade. Give. Oh, never mind. I feel like that's funny. It was a good one. We don't have bias for today because NQ bearish, ES bullish. So we will try to just react and be flexible. Lots of SMTs at lows. That's the problem. See this? Lots of SMTs at lows. But at the same time, really hard to engage. I hate it. I'm gonna delete this for now. MNQ. Yes, really trying. See? Really trying to respect 50%. So let's see. How big stop loss if it's gonna display is like from 7 to 10 points? Actually, we can give it a try soon. Not yet. Still no. If it's gonna displace, I will try to scalp. I'm thinking if it's gonna displace, I don't know, like, it's gonna be around 10 point stop loss, no displacement, no trades, okay. This market is funny. We'll show below like 75, 75, I guess. 75, 74. We'll partial at 63. The rest will be to monthly open, I guess. No displacement, well, not valid. Keep waiting. Not going to give up, keep waiting. Hope it's gonna displace below 75. 75 I will try to short with 5 micros, 10 point stop loss, $250 actually. We'll partial at 63 and 2 micros will left to 75.43. In case we're gonna displace below 75, 75. So it's gonna look like that for me. About 50% of this week. We'll partial at 63. Around this one. I'm not sure about stop loss. I will probably adjust this. $1.3R. Let's see. I'm trying to displace 5 micros, $250 risk, okay. So I will just try to scalp with small risk. So I'm going to take this really easy. So half of my risk on my 150k accounts. If I'm too early, that's fine. Risk is really small for me. Trades am I funded? Just for information. Dun-dun-dun. So once again, guys, risk is small. Consider your risk accordingly as well. So I'm risking $250 on my 150k accounts with normal risk around like $450. So I want to give this room for second trade just in case I'm wrong on this try. Which is also possible, like everything is possible. For me, it was to try. This chap is real. Daily volume imbalance, guys. Basically my partial. I mean, worth to try. Maybe we need to wait for 10, but we always can try after 10. It's not a problem, right? I do like how we displace below 50%. It's technically my plan. Plan the trade, trade the plan, right? SPX. Damn, SPX looks ugly, but once again, it's fine. We still can retrace back to 25%, ideally 50% of yesterday RTH gap, but this can happen after 10. That's why 3 micros will be taken out at top of daily volume imbalance, 63. Because 10 a.m. is coming. Let's see. Basically just quick scalp. Volume imbalance can offer reversal. That's all I know. So since my risk is pretty small on this trade, until I'm going to take partial, I'm not going to trail my stop loss. Just no reason for this. Risk, once again, is pretty small. It gives me room for second trade, just in case I'm wrong. I want to see daily volume imbalance at 63. And only after the second partial, trail my stop loss. I'm going to partial and trail my stop loss. That's what I'm trying to say. Before this, unfortunately, I cannot do this, and that's okay. $12 points lower, 53. What's the price for this? 12 points lower. Yes, 54. So second TP will be based on SPX levels. Once again, I'm not gonna trail my stop loss. Yes, I'm in profit. It means nothing for me. Of course, you can do this. It's your trade. But I want to, since my risk is small, one more time, I'm going to trail only after hitting my key level, which is daily volume imbalance. Everything going down? Nvidia down almost 2%. That's actually wild. Let's see if you're gonna hit this daily volume imbalance. Really wants to do this. I really want to see this. Is it same level on MES, just to make sure? Yes, same. I guess same one, right? Is it? Yeah, same level. Damn, I kind of calm on this trade. AMD down 8%? Like, seriously? Gold up 1.6%. Nvidia down 1.8%. Apple down like 0.4%. Not like, damn guys, it's everything is red. In the electronic segment. So that's wild. Hits his dumb 63 level. Stuck at the ejection block. Samsung down 8%. I believe Samsung earnings, right? Hit 63 for me. Damn, these games are crazy. I know I'm gonna cut the trade if it's gonna break above this level again. I'm gonna cut this completely. Keep making SMTs with NQ. That's annoying. I know they want to hit the 63, but they playing dumb games. What's the point behind this? I don't know. From 63, I can consider break even. Finally, guys, W on the chart. Pretty much quick scalp with no drawdown. Nice one. 2 micros left. Pretty much plan the trade the plan. We did good. 2 micros left only. Highly recommend to take partial at this 63 because daily volume balance can be point of reversal. My next TP will be based on SPX, so technically it's around like 11 points lower. I put 75.54 because I'm not sure. As said before, so if it's gonna break above this level, blue line, I'm gonna cut trade completely. But that's all for now. So partial is 25% of RTH gap on SPX from yesterday, guys. Final TP is slightly above monthly open. Yeah, we did good, right? Guys, don't forget to partial 63, like seriously. Jokes aside, please do this. Only 2 micros left. Just chilling, trying to learn how to hold partials. Not partials, runners. It's about to be 10 a.m. guys. Trail to break even. Highly recommend to trail to break even because 10 a.m. it's new candle, flower candle, new early candle, so we might get some manipulation. Ideally manipulation down to push higher for silver bullet, but we will see. I think I want to trail stop loss to this blue line because I want to cut my trade at the break above blue line. Just gonna trail. Oh, seriously? I didn't know about this. Let's see what kind of reaction can happen from from this daily volume imbalance. Once again, I'm gonna close the trade completely at the break above this line because I believe it's gonna be point of reversal. That's it, nice. Done here on this trade. Looking for another trade. Nice trade. Good W even before 10 a.m. I love it. This trade, if you're going to watch in replay, I said I want to try to short if it's gonna respect 50% of this move down. Damn, of course it's going to drop now. Are you kidding me? I love it still. Nice trade. So we respected 50%. We got nice 3-minute OB. It was based on 30-minute SIP, 3-minute OB. I trade just one strategy, guys, you know. 3-minute OB was here, but it was such a big displacement. So I was waiting for retracement to 50% of this move down. I respected this level. I tried to short. I said I'm gonna short the displacement. I still want to see lower because SPX left room to go lower. I want to see 25% of RTH gap. Was pretty quick and easy trade. Logical trade, I would say. I wish we have with this kind of setups every single day. I'm looking for lower as well. Let's see if we're gonna get re-entry. At least we have like money to risk, right? We can risk more simply because we made money already. Yeah, we respected. I was waiting for displacement below this level, so that's why I tried. Like 1.3 arm. Let's see if you're gonna get re-entry. Don't mind. Ow. No. Oops. I feel like it's gonna drop more. But once again, I truly believe if it's gonna break above this level, it's gonna be push higher again. So let's see what we can use for second trade. We trace to 5 minutes for a value gap. Okay. Damn it, I want to see lower. I feel like it's gonna drop without me. SPX needs to drop. Anyway, let's see if we're gonna get another trade here. Not here, just another setup. Maybe continuation. Final TP will remain the same, which is monthly open. Oh. I would like to get some sort of confirmation to trade this. This one is a let me see. I'm not fan of this short, if it's gonna be short. 1 second, let me measure at least. Not really. I don't really like it. Let's see. I'm looking for another trade, guys. Short looks promising. Let's see how we're gonna hold this OB. I'm gonna try. We'll put my stop loss above fair value gap. Let's see. Willing to try, but probably will just give us some time. I use NinjaTrader. Yes, Michael, I want to see 7502. You're right. So I'm not on the second trade, guys. I will show you once I enter the trade. I'm just looking now. A bit choppy here, which is, by the way, can be just okay. Look at this one. I have different bearish. Let me hide my camera for 1 second. Look at this. Damn, everything is bearish. Yeah, it may consolidate for some time. By the way, guys, I'm going to record the video. Not video, actually gonna pause this. I had one account with Take Profit Trader. It was 150k account. I'm going to show dashboard, not now, like later. I guess I'm gonna post about this. One of these accounts, I have 5, but one of these accounts was $20 away from blowing account. $20 away. Right now, I can request payout. What? Barbara, can you see this? It's him again. That's crazy. say hello, but you never say hello as well.
Hello.
No one can hear you. You have to scream. Say, hello, people. I'm here. No one can hear you. Hi, husband. Honestly, looks good. Let's see. I may try this one. What are you looking for? Looking to try. I'm gonna try probably this one. Stop loss at 73. 75. TP will be 70, 75, 43, 43.25. Let's see. This reward is 1.7. Not bad. Let's see if it's gonna displace. Can be nice trade here. So technically I'm gonna risk what I made, but not going to trade on all my accounts because I made on Lucid. It's my base hit on Lucid. I will show you. Yeah. We'll trade CPT here. So guys, did you hear my husband? I'm gonna enter somewhere 760. Yeah, we'll enter on CPT only, guys, I guess. I made my money on Lucid and TradingView. I'm done for the day on this account, but I'm gonna trade Lucid. And not Lucid, CPT. Not Lucid, guys. Nice displacement. Okay, let's try. Sorry, guys. Just take profit trader here, because I made my good money on Lucid and TradingView. Just 5 accounts now. Where I said I'm gonna put stop loss at 73.75. Had to partial somewhere here at 7,500. Okay. 6 points lower. From where? Where is it gonna be? Somewhere. 1 second. It's gonna be 5 points lower. Okay. Okay, alright. Is it here? 5 points lower. 52? Yes, 52. So it's SPX partial, guys, at 75.52. If I converted this right, maybe I didn't this right, but let's see. Final TP gonna be at monthly open. Do I show you executions, by the way? Sometimes I forget to switch. I hope so. I don't have any courses. Why? Four more points. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to calculate where I need to partial because I use SPX for partials. 4 more points. I believe it's 75.52, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I like 52. Maybe like slightly higher, but I'm gonna tell you guys where you need to partial, okay? I'm gonna tell you. Once you hit this pink line, you're gonna partial there. If I converted this right, of course. By the way, I didn't put my stop loss at the right place from the very beginning. I would like to consider this as protected swing point simply because we got the closure already. So technically it's right swing point here for stop loss. Didn't see this. Yes, I'm on MES short. 1 point lower. It's around 52, guys. Once we hit pink line, guys, partial, please. Once we'll hit pink line, just partial. No, we need to hit this somehow. $10 a.m. Is it 10 a.m.? Yeah. Oh, guys. Barbara, may I ask you something if you're not busy now? Can you please send link from Twitter of my PDFs? If you're not busy, of course. Oh, I'm not stressed. Come on. Asama Deluxe. Like, Deluxe is my second name. I'm just focused. Don't want to miss my partial because I'm checking SPX right now. And just 90 more cents lower. Oh, partial, guys. Break even here. Michael, what does it mean? What this means? Damn, we kill it. We just kill it today. $48 will be next TP because it lines up with 50% of RTH gap from yesterday. I'm gonna hold here. Let's see if we're gonna hit 50%. Damn. Okay, micro left. Damn, guys. I mean, sometimes I'm really surprised with my performance. Jokes aside. We just kill it today. 2 W's today. Guys, W in the chat. We just kill it. Up $600 on my TPT. I'm not gonna hold anymore. Monthly open was my final TP. Done. We just best, guys. We're the best. I don't know how to describe our performance. Oops, I mean, you got it. We're just the best. Our strategy, continuation setup, damn, I couldn't like ask for more, for better price action. It was such a clean price action. Damn, beautiful. By the way, guys, did you notice like we take more and more trades on streams? I used to take just one trade. Now we're taking 2, 3. God, it's such a beautiful price action. Yesterday we got nothing, today we got 2 W's. Best one. Total we collected 30 points. So, green on my all accounts. Not on Apex, by the way. I didn't trade Apex. Hey! Never close the door. Never. I have facial today. I took 2 trades on stream. Real ICT trader trades his system or her system. and trust the process. Just put camera there. Hey, this means like it's ridiculous. You cannot. Thank you for trying. I will try to find as well. I guess I put this in highlights. Maybe it's wrong. But guys, I don't sell any courses. Everything available on my Twitter for free as well as YouTube. Go to my Twitter, put highlights. See these highlights? All lessons which you will never ever find somewhere else when you're going to pay for your course is gonna be here. Strategy we use today is here. This one. We just use this model here today. New York Midnight Open, how to do top-down analysis. I'm gonna send link now. Hey, how to do top-down analysis. It's unique lessons. Once again, you will never find this in paid courses, even like free courses. It's my approach that I trade every single day on streams. I put link in the chat, guys. Hope it's gonna be helpful for you. Download, use this. Just don't sell this as a course. So it's lessons. I mean, of course, you can buy the book as well. But once again, I never promote books because I truly believe like information that I shared for free on Twitter and YouTube more than enough if you want to trade like same strategy I trade and use same approach as I use. Once again, I'm not like super profitable trader, but I can call myself as consistent trader, and you can see this on streams. But yeah, I'm gonna send link one more time. Guys, look where we're closed. So far, pretty much at the bottom. Sniper exit. Damn beautiful. Just really killer today. And like its example with 5 micros and 250, like $200 risk, you can make $600. Yeah, so far great exit. I want to see this yesterday. Remember monthly open? Gold doing perfect job. Let's see if it's gonna drop towards 41.50, 41.45 area. So then we can try this one. Yeah, some people don't like my accent, and I understand this, so I'm not going to complain about my accent and everything else. I'm not going to talk about my English, but sometimes it's easier to read PDFs. So PDFs, it's exactly the same PDFs I used for my videos on my YouTube channel. 168. Oh, I mean, wait for a good setup. Don't try to chase a move here. What's the difference between real ICT trader and fake? I have no idea. What's the difference? Actually, that's a great question. I need to know as well. Tell me. Is there any difference? Like how to say if this trader is fake trader or a real trader? Like, it's an interesting question. I don't know, because I don't care. Guys, enter giveaway. I'm running giveaway since we traded all accounts today. Since we traded Lucid today, I'm running Lucid accounts for giveaway. Today gonna be flex. But guys, did you see that Lucid running 40% off on Lucid Pro accounts with no daily loss limit on funded? So it used to be like that. 25k did not have daily loss limit. Other accounts have daily loss limit. Right now, it's removed everywhere. Nice, by the way. It's actually a great option. So you can pass for 1 day, payouts every 3 days. Not bad. minis and micros. Let's see if I have post about this. I believe I covered everything. 1 second. Thank you. Yes. So I have post about this, but I'm going to send link from my website. 1 second. Tools. Is it this one? So yeah, guys, let me show you how you, if you're like new to futures, you're trying to transition, you need to go to Pro Tools on my website over here. Go here, futures contracts. So here you can see all futures contracts available. Let me hide my camera. So for example, for ES is, I'm blind. Where is ES? Oh, ES is here. So here is ES, see? So it's gonna be 1250, here's tick size value. So for ES, one mini contract is gonna be 12 bucks and 50 cents. With commission on trade weight, I believe you can use this. Or you can use this one. This post. From me, I posted this like a year ago, more than a year ago. Here I covered tick value, point value as well. For example, on NQ, your tick value 1 point gonna be 20 bucks. While on ES it's gonna be 50 bucks. On MNQ it's gonna be just 10 times more less. 5 bucks and what is going on here? Yes, you're doing perfect job, keep selling off. NQ just took previous weekly low level. On MNQ it's gonna be less. For example, one tick value 1 point on micro is gonna be 5 bucks. While on one mini contract is gonna be 50 bucks. So you can use this link as well. I put 2 links in the chat, you can use them. Okay guys, let's back to trading. I don't want to miss anything here. I made a lot of money as well. Maybe we will trade competition account. Maybe we'll trade competition actual account today. The rest of the day. Well, guys, I want to share with you. Someone yesterday was trying to hate me because I didn't make this on Tradify Grand Cup. I was such a bad trader, so I decided to trade my personal account and funded accounts instead of trading competition account. And since I didn't make this in first round, I'm like super bad trader. I was like, damn, how am I supposed to live with this information? I pick like my live account and funded accounts instead of trading competition. Damn, that's so bad. I was like, what the like, what is going on? Yeah, I mean, like, I was just stupid. Stupid people. Well, it was quite easy short today. Classic ICT. Hope everyone shorted this. Well, it's not right question how many points your stop loss needs to be. It depends on your risk. Sometimes it's going to be 10 points, sometimes it's going to be 20 points on yes, sometimes it's going to be 5 points on yes. So totally depends on range and your risk. Yeah, guys, keep trailing. So this one is protected swing point since we got the closure below this swing low. So you can, if you still hold and trail your stop loss here. Yeah, by the way, it's pretty much textbook market maker sell model, right? Nice intermediate term high here. Classic silver bullet. Actually, you could enter. I guess we entered like slightly lower, but the idea is still here. Honestly, I won't see this drop yesterday, but fine. Yeah, at least it was obvious delivery today. Guys, expect to get some retracement. We at SPX OT of SPX RTH from yesterday. Retracement is coming. If not now, then like really soon. Will retrace soon. UTP hit, my TP hit as well. You cannot get legacy. Why? What message you getting? Because I will try to get these accounts later today. What kind of message you have? Why? United States. Where's United States? Whatever. So I will try to buy after Steam as well, and I will let you know. Oh, I see. Well, let me show you how you can use this. So go on their website, scroll all the way down, and you will see this one. Limited time offer, legacy 250k, SIM funded. What? It's not SIM funded. It's a WOW, right? Is the WOW? Well, 250k evaluation. I highly recommend to pick TradeView because if you trade on Replikanto, if you use Replikanto as your copier, so make sure to get TradeView because you won't be able to connect lots of Rhythmic connections if you already have Rhythmic with other prop firm. And get started here. I will buy 20 evals today. Damn, 250k, that's a lot. It's my first. It's Apex. They have limited offer. You can get legacy plan. SIM funded, basically your funded account. Evaluation is evaluation, your challenge. I like their legacy plan. So since I still have legacy account, so probably I want to get legacy again. I like legacy more than a new plan. Just going to have them as reserve. We'll try to pass. Hope to pass this with first try. And yes, intraday trailing. It's not a problem. It's not a problem for me. And we'll keep them. So guys, the retracement is coming according to SPX. If you just joined, guys, we took 2 shorts on ES. We just absolutely killed this today. We shorted from 75 for like 13 points or so. Then we entered again and we got 18 points or 19 points around so as well. It's crazy. Well, I mean, I know, but yeah, still want to get them. Guys, it's cheap evaluation, but keep in mind you're gonna have activation fee. NQ? I don't know. Seriously, I don't know. I was trying to use SPX for NQ. Not helpful. Only for ES. That's why I took ES trade. But you know, you know, if you see, like, let's say if you see a short opportunity on NQ, enter the trade, and partial when you see SPX hit higher from level. Giveaway, we will do giveaway soon, guys, I promise. Guys, if you just joined, don't forget to enter giveaway. I'm gonna send link in the chat now. It's gonna be 50k Lucid Flex accounts. I'm gonna do 2 accounts today. QQQ. You know, Michael, I was trying to use QQQ. I mean, depends what you use. With RTH gaps. Platform. You mean like discount? It was Apex. Yes, Sean. So this one is legacy plan, so it's a bit different. So you can take like lots of good payouts. So payout cap is better on legacy. So I would like to try this one. I mean, I'm gonna pass the balls just to keep them. So trying to retrace, like small retracement. I was talking about Apex before, but I'm doing Lucid accounts for giveaway. Did I send link? Yeah, I did. See, like I use only like RTH gaps. Today, I use today, like, and always I use RTH gaps on SPX. So I don't need any other information from SPX. 2 trades based on pretty much on SPX. Let's see what can happen next. I'm not sure yet, but next up is gonna be 74.96. And at this point, gold can drop more as well. Let's see if it's gonna drop back to 41.45. I know where's MMXM. I sent him a message yesterday, like more than a day ago, like 25 hours ago. He ignores me. Usually he sends me lots of messages on Instagram during weekend. Last message he sent me was on Thursday. Where are you? So he ignores me. Yeah, I sent him a message like asking like if he's still alive. He didn't respond yet. I don't know what happened. I sent him a message, but I don't know what happened. Gold dropping so nice. Yeah, MXM, where are you? Hello, hello. Barbara helps me a lot. Love you for this. Guys, I'm not like publicly share this, but almost every single day I send accounts to random people of giveaways. I just scroll sometimes Twitter and I see like, this guy is really trying. I see his like posts on Twitter and I'm like, he's doing perfect job, but he cannot make it now. And I just really want to help him. I just sent him a message on Twitter saying like, here's code for you, you can use this. Maybe it will help you, you can practice more. Thank you, Daniel. But yeah, sometimes like when it's like when I have like nothing to do, I'm like scrolling Twitter saying like, oh, nice man, like or girl, she's or he's really trying. I see like effort, but cannot make this now. I was there. No one helped me. So I want to help you. And I usually ask like if this like TradingView or Lucid. I usually do like TradingView or Lucid because it's the most popular prop firms. That's like if it's eligible, if you like you can trade this prop firm in your country. And yes, like I usually send account. Psychology, no, and it's really complicated topic for me because we're all different, and I guess we need different lessons for this, right? But yeah, I talk about like psychology yesterday on TradingView TV. And once again, it's really complicated topic for me. I cannot give you any advices because something that works for me will not work for you. Market conditions, damn, it was brilliant price action. We took 2 shorts. Yeah, just never share this. Because when I'm on traffic light, I see like homeless or like man with disabilities, I always give him money. And my son always asks me like, Mom, why you give him money but you're not giving us money? And when I'm with my husband always say like, don't give this money to him, blah, blah, blah. When I'm without my husband, guys, I know how much I spent already. I don't know why. I cannot see this. I remember one day I saw like a man was without leg. He was in a wheelchair. He was crossing the road and I was just driving. It was like not highway, but it was like, I know, like 55 speed limit there. I did U-turn. It was crazy. My kids were like, Mom, what are you doing? I did U-turn back to this man. I gave him money. I like all cash I had in my wallet. And then I went, I don't remember where we were going. Like it was probably like class ice skating or so. All money that I had in my wallet. If I was with my husband would say, are you crazy? That's why I always do this without my husband. Because yesterday we were on traffic light. I was like, please, can I give him money? Because I was with my husband. He said, no. But yeah, it's funny. I do this often. My kids like look at me like it's like a ridiculous situation because why no? Remember yesterday we were on traffic light? Oh, you didn't hear this. No, leave the chat. He gonna know our secrets. No, nothing. I said I love you. People gonna confirm this. Right? That's what I said. Yeah, he always says this, like, he has 2 hands, 2 legs, why he cannot go to McDonald's and apply for a job? I know. Okay. I know. Okay. For my husband, it's ridiculous when like healthy man asking for money but not trying to find a job. That's funny. Yeah, ES was in premium while NQ was in discount, so it was easier to short. Yeah, I usually try to help people with disabilities, like no legs, no arms, something like that. But I usually do this without my husband because he always like, no. Where's the target on ES? 7,500? With no brain, 99% of people like that. Don't start. My husband always trying to give me example. Why I had to work in Chicago for like, how much you said? $6 per hour. It was super cold. I had to work. Why other people cannot find like job in McDonald's in Florida? Blah, blah, blah. He always says this. For 10 years, without break, every single time it's same example. I was trading yesterday. Negative 30 degrees, it's, I'm gonna tell you. 2. It's cold. Husband, I don't have Wi-Fi on my phone. It's negative 22 degrees. And he always says like, you never work at McDonald's, so you need to experience this, like how it feels to make like $10 per hour and blah blah blah. And like I was annoyed by hearing this. Good job. Husband, tell everyone what do you do for a living. What did you say when we first met? What do you do for a living? Everyone wants to know. He retired already, but what was your job? You still here? People want to know this. I took 2 trades today. Damn. New to ICT, what time frame? So I use usually medium time frame. Medium time frame is 50-minute or 30-minute charts. So you want to find obvious swing points, swing high, swing low, to measure 50%. So if it's downtrend and on high time frame inside downtrend, your obvious swing point on medium time frame is here to here, to here, to here. And that's your premium and not this one. 1 second. Did I read this? This one. So look for medium time frame range first. Ignore lower time frame. And if inside downtrend, look for swing high and swing low. Same for here. So once we get in obvious swing low, it's not confirmed swing low yet. It's gonna be your range as well. My husband said he wants to find second wife. Why? I have no idea why. Just because he wants this? Yeah, my husband in the chat. Why not? A wild man. Maybe in his soul he is, but he was born and raised in Belarus. I said, no. He said my twin sister is super lazy. It's not gonna work for him. Why not 5? By the way, it's a joke. Just saying. Yeah, angry training queue. I'm gonna, yeah, I will share this with her. He said, you're gonna work, I'm gonna work. And he's gonna enjoy his life with his second wife. I was like, damn, you know? Forget my name, my lovely husband. I will also want to enjoy my life. Yeah, I'm gonna do giveaway in 5 minutes. Of course not, Frank. Maybe in his soul he is, but he has lots of free time. I think so. By the way, I believe my husband is Russian. His dad is Russian. I'm not sure about his mom. I guess his mom is Belarusian. Same, by the way, as me. My dad is Russian. Like, his parents were born in Russia. I don't know, by the way. See? He left the chat. Yeah, it was 30-minute sweep, 3-minute OB. Pretty much straightforward strategy here. We got sweep, we got 3-minute OB, nice displacement here. I didn't use entry. I didn't enter here simply because we got big displacement. Instead, I measured 50% of this move down and I entered at 50%. Stop loss was above order block. I took most position off at the top of volume imbalance. The rest stop and profit here. Then I re-entered the trade again with same contract size, put my stop loss above 5-minute fair value gap, and we got like 18 points, 19 points. Nope. Okay. Yes. Oh, 30-minute sweep, 3-minute OB. So let me send you PDF, guys. Share, copy link. So strategy I traded today is here. You can download this lesson if you want. It's over here. Summary. Wow. Actually cool stuff here. I didn't know about this. Well, we call this turtle soup, right? And that's exactly what we traded today. It was 30-minute sweep. After this, we switch on lower time frame. For example, 30-minute sweep and lower time frame is gonna look like that. We use 3-minute OB for this, and we kill it. All lessons, guys, are over here on my Twitter. All lessons, price delivery. So basically, retracement, reversal, consolidation, expansion. Top-down analysis, basically market maker, buy model, market maker, sell model. Let me bring my camera back. Over here. How to trade this, and so on. Then market maker model, again, standard deviation projections. I guess I put 5 different ways to measure this using FIB retracement tool. Explain. I'm gonna share it link, guys. The most important ones, 5 and 6, it's optimal trade entry. That's exactly what we use on SPX. And New York Midnight Open. We have power of 3, also part of sweep model. So basically how it forms, how candlestick forms. Very important topic, by the way. Liquidity SIP and TGF. Let me send link in the chat again. All lessons is here for free. I don't ask for anything, guys. Let me read the chat. Where I stopped? 1 second. I was trading MES today, 5 markers on both trades, made $600. Could make more, but my first trade stop and profit. I re-enter the trade later. No. I trade second candle, not third one. I trade when we have potential sweep, but this sweep not confirmed yet. And once again, in order to confirm potential sweep, when we see only this one sweep over here, right? I use this on lower time frame as confirmation. 3-minute OB can confirm this. So once I see we got the closure below sequence of up close candles, and we got possible sweep, but we don't know if it's gonna be sweep or not. I can like assume like probably it's gonna be sweep here if it's gonna be OB. Yes, we got closure below sequence of up close candles. We confirmed sweep here, so enter the trade. I hope I answered the question, but you can read PDF one more time. She good at cooking too. Thank you. Lessons again. Let me send in the chat. Link in the chat. Just send this. Do you see link? Retracement, yes, on SPX coming as well. What about gold? gold scenario is this one. Pretty much same approach. From 41.50, 41.45, if you're gonna get 3 minute OB and 30 minutes SIP, 3 minute OB, I'm gonna try to long this. My drawn liquidity, I'm not sure if it's gonna happen today. I know what kind of news we should get. But if you're gonna get a reversal from this area with 30 minutes SIP, 3 minute OB, I will try to long. So 42.38. It may happen during Asia. Yeah, highlights on Twitter. Yes, we need to retrace up now. Done deal. What's that? It's like high five. SPX balance RTH gap. We need to get the action up now. What is T1 model OB? T1. It's like 1 minute time frame. I don't use macro. Guys, I don't use macro at all. Thank you. 75.34. 1 second. So you need to understand for fair trade. So I'm done on my fund accounts. Probably I will trade on competition account since I participate in competition because didn't place a single trade there. So since you have downtrend, make sure to trail your stop loss and look for 1 hour, 1.5 for trades. I need to work more. That's funny. You know, I would rather to make money on funded accounts. Maybe that's me. Sorry about this. I guess it's time for giveaway, guys, right? We absolutely kill this today because we are the best, of course. Guys, okay, I'm gonna give you 3 more minutes to enter giveaway. If it's your first time, make sure to fill the form and confirm your email. You will get accounts right after stream. It's monthly payment on Epic's legacy accounts. Will I trade on my birthday? Hey, Michael, how are you today? So guys, tomorrow is my birthday. I may stream tomorrow for just big giveaway if you want, but I'm not gonna stream like, I guess, 3 hours or 2 hours. We got 2 W's today. We shorted ES twice. We were done before 10 a.m. We entered before 10 a.m. Thank you. Pretty much solid day for ICT traders. Classic setups here. Need long stream. So yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna be 1 year older. I'm not excited, to be honest. monthly payment gonna be 50% of original price. So first month is gonna be 90% off. Second month, third month, fourth month, and so on, it's gonna be 50% off of original price. For my birthday. You know, Michael, I feel like I have enough already, so I don't need any gifts. I guess I want to have, I want to, feel new emotions. I want to go somewhere, but I don't need, any physical gifts anymore. I feel like I have everything I wanted. Just good health, yeah. Second husband, no, thank you. Yeah, I'm at that age, I guess, already, when I don't need anything anymore. Just emotions. We will see. I never been in Disney, by the way, guys. Universal. Maybe we'll go there? What happened? We got some hate? Oh my god. Right, Michael? Yes, never been there before. Reason because whenever we were planning to go there, I was pregnant. It was super hot. Then I finally gave a birth to my son and I became pregnant again. Again, we cannot go there. Then my kids were little kids, so they're not okay to sit in line and stay in line for hours. They're still young kids to stay in line. When we go to Publix to buy something and they stay in line for 1 minute, 2 minutes, it's already crazy. It's impossible to say something. They're super loud, they keep fighting, they kick each other, so it's wild. But still, 5 and 7 is a good age to go to Disney or Universal. I guess super young, right? Buy Fast Pass, I know, but it's still lots of people smart like that. Everyone buy Fast Pass right now. Still, you need to stay in line. Leave them in the car. I was thinking about this. And it's too hot. Yeah, it's summer. But still want to go. Want to go somewhere. I hate to be pregnant. So I'm child-free with 2 kids, guys. 5 and 7 is perfect, right? Yeah, I will. Beautiful there. Yeah. Oh my god, that's really beautiful. Yeah, I want to go somewhere, at least for a couple of days. Disney Cruise, I was thinking about this, by the way. Come to Australia. Because of spiders. And everything you have there. I cannot go. Well, guys, let's do giveaway. Michael, we wanted to ask you something yesterday, but I forgot what it was. Guys, what we wanted to ask yesterday? I said we're gonna wait for Michael to join and we will ask. And of course I forgot. What was the question? Who remember? Don't remember. Well, maybe I will remember later. But thank you, Michael, for visiting us today. Oh yeah, Michael, you see if you're still here. How to call the level? Exactly. How to call the level when we anticipate to get order block, let's say over here, but it's not order block yet. And we're not gonna know if it's gonna be OB until we get in the closure. So how to call this blue line before it's order block? Because I always partial here and people ask me why and I don't know why. I cannot explain why. Do you know any name for this level? It's not OB until we get in the closure, right? But it should be something, but we don't know what it is. Michael left? Ah, no. No. Okay, guys, remember this question. We will ask tomorrow. Your order block does not require the closure. Just oh. You changed the game now. I always waiting for the closure, by the way. So even if it's gonna be sweep, you still consider this as OB once we get in the action from high time frame level. I never backtested this before. Michael said he doesn't need to have closure. Well, did you explain this somewhere? I need to... Guys, who watched the video about this? Share the link with me. Well, you opened my eyes now. Well, I'm gonna backtest this to see how it works, if I'm gonna get better entries. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm gonna backtest this. Well, good to know. Good to know, thank you. Because I was waiting for the closure all the time. Sometimes my entry is like really not best one. Well, I will take note on this. Because technically we got sweep here, retracement to OT, and continuation higher. Well, good to know. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's run giveaway. I will take notes because I don't want to forget this one. Because I want to backtest this for a couple of months. Just want to collect data. Well, guys, let's run giveaway. Yeah, good to know. Learn something new today. Michael, ignore the hate. Ignore the hate. You're trying to feed them. So first we have Freedom Traders. Absolutely love your name, by the way. Rejection block and turtle soaps. Thank you, Barbara. You're the best. Yeah, I'm gonna take notes as well, and I'm gonna backtest this. Freedom Trader. Yeah, it's you. Congratulations. You won list account. Good job. Let's pick another winner. Nice, yeah? Congratulations. I will send you accounts in 5 minutes, like right after stream. Second winner is... I'm not gonna read this. Sorry about that. It's really hard to pronounce. But are you here? You're very welcome. You deserve this. It's fair game. Looks Italian. Yay! You won account. Are you Italian? Well, I got it. With my accent, that could sound funny, I know. No, French. Wow, nice. So, guys, I'm gonna send you accounts in 5 minutes. We took 2 Ws today before 10 a.m. Happy be done before 10 a.m. All trades were taken on yes. Watching the replay, I explained reason behind each trades before we took this trade. We ignore SMT at loss, which was smart to do. We took previous weekly low level. ES stuck at monthly open. Truly believe if it's gonna displace below monthly open on ES, we should see equilibrium of previous weekly range level. Why? Because in Q trading way below this level. So if it wants to be in sync, we need to get some sort of displacement below monthly open to reach this level later. Otherwise, we will retrace back to the range and gonna stay in the chop until tomorrow probably. Tomorrow from C minutes, it's not meeting, it's minutes, but still should offer some volatility. Talking about gold, my idea, we just entered my range. If it's gonna be nice 30-minute sweep from this range, from discount, OTA, and 3-minute OB will confirm the sweep, may try to long, but on my account, because of I'm gonna do this from my phone. Let's have a coffee. Do you live in Miami or somewhere there? I'm in South Florida. If you want to have like, if you want to go to lunch or maybe breakfast, I'm open for this. But let's do this West Palm Beach, Boca, maybe Pampana Beach. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna stream tomorrow, but I'm gonna finish early, I guess. We will do big giveaway since it's my birthday. We will do big giveaway tomorrow. We ignore haters. We ignore haters. We just feel sorry for them, right? I'm in Boca. I live in Boca. Just if you live somewhere here and you want to go for lunch or breakfast, but let's do this before like 8:30 a.m. I'm open for this. Always open for this. Meet other people. Perfect. Because I don't have lots of friends here in South Florida. So I'm okay to find new people. So guys, love you. See you tomorrow. I have facial now. Not now, in 50 minutes. I need to drive there. I'm gonna look younger tomorrow. I hope my face not gonna be red. But looking forward to this. Guys, wish you perfect the rest of your day. I'm gonna send you accounts now. We killed this today. Absolutely amazing performance. If you have any questions, ask me on Twitter, Instagram, Discord. It's free everywhere. Yes, Michael, that's what I'm gonna get today. Plus, I'm gonna do some massage for my face. It's like just to look younger. I'm forever 18, I know, but once again, you need to take care of your skin when you're 18, and even like when you're 16, take care of your skin always to look good when you're like 30, 35. Well, guys, love you. If you have any questions, ask me Twitter, Instagram, Discord. Bye, guys. Thank you for joining today. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, and share the stream, as always. Avoid alcohol, yes.